I would pay a fortune to buy all the gas just to drive around the town with you. We would wake before the sun and throw out our maps, get gone till our hearts play in tune. And I would fly a million miles away.
Wedding week, and it's Kalahari time. You excited?
It takes to know that I'm with you again. And oh, no matter where we go. Baby, I'll be happy. 'Cause when the morning sings, I think I've got me smiling like I'm in love. And who'd have thunk we'd end up getting stuck so perfectly if you're the middle.
And what tomorrow brings, only time will tell.
Colton, today is a very important day. Not only do I get to stand up here in front of our family and friends and marry your father, but today I gain an even more important title. Your stepmom, Colton Charles Bowers. I promise to laugh with you in life is funny, and I promise to comfort you and cry with you when it's not. I promise to play girls versus boys whenever you ask, but I can't promise that the boys will always win because your mom is a teammate now.